Imagine a blockchain so fast it finalizes transactions in less than half a second. And it is not just about speed. It is built to handle Bitcoin DeFi, crypto gaming, and even Wall Street-level finance. Meet Sui, a Layer 1 blockchain that is not just another Ethereum copy. It is doing things differently, with a bold new design that could shape the future of Web3. Let's break it down. The tech, the use cases, and the risks, all in plain English. What problem does Sui solve? Most blockchains face what is called the scalability trilemma. You cannot have speed, security, and decentralization all at once. Some sacrifice speed for safety. Others go fast but lack resilience. Sui is trying to break that rule. It is designed for high throughput, low latency, and smooth developer experiences all at the same time. How? By treating every element, coins, contracts, NFTs, as objects that can be processed in parallel. It is like switching from a single-lane road to a superhighway with hundreds of lanes. That means faster apps, smoother games, and lower congestion. Real-world examples. Let's look at where Sui is already making an impact. In gaming, Sui powers over 70 blockchain games, and even launched its own handheld console called Sui Play 0x1. Gamers can earn, trade, and own in-game items without delays or high fees. In decentralized finance, protocols like Swilend and Navi Protocol have helped push Sui's total value locked to over $2.3 billion. That is more than some Ethereum Layer 2s. In Bitcoin DeFi, Sui is becoming a hub. Instead of risky bridges, protocols like TBTC and XBTC allow users to borrow, lend, or swap Bitcoin directly on Sui, securely. What makes Sui unique? The technology behind it is what really sets it apart. Sui uses a programming language called Move, originally developed by Meta for their Diem blockchain. Move is designed to be safe, secure, and resistant to hacks like re-entrancy attacks, which have drained millions from other blockchains. Sui also uses a consensus mechanism called Mysticeti, which processes basic transactions separately from complex ones, allowing fast finality often around 400 milliseconds. That is faster than Solana, faster than Polygon, and much faster than Ethereum. And it does not stop there. Sui's modular stack includes Walrus for decentralized storage, Seal for programmable encryption in private smart contracts, and Remora, a system that allows validators to scale horizontally like cloud servers. Adoption and institutional momentum Sui is not just building hype, it is getting serious adoption. Grayscale launched a Sui Trust, offering exposure to institutional investors. 21 shares filed for a Sui ETF. Big exchanges and custody services are integrating support for enterprise use. It is even enabling sponsored transactions, so users can interact with apps without needing gas tokens. This makes onboarding non-crypto users much easier, a huge win for mass adoption. It also supports ZK Login, a feature that lets users log into apps using Google or Facebook, while still being fully on-chain. Risks and challenges. But it is not all smooth sailing. In May 2025, Sui faced backlash after validators froze $160 million worth of assets during a security breach. While it stopped the attack, critics said it compromised decentralization. So the question is, can a blockchain be both secure and censorship-resistant? Sui also faces heavy competition from Solana, Ethereum Layer 2s, and new projects trying to dominate decentralized finance and gaming. It is a fast race, and Sui has a head start, but no guarantees. Sui is not just another blockchain. It is a fresh take built for speed, scalability, and mainstream use. From Bitcoin-backed DeFi to console-based gaming, it is quietly becoming one of the most advanced Layer 1 platforms out there. But it still faces a core challenge. How will it balance performance with decentralization? And more importantly, will users trust it when the stakes are high? That is what we will be watching. So, what do you think? Is Sui the future of scalable crypto apps, or just another Solana rival? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned as we keep making crypto simple, one video at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.